police. He went, he applied. He came to me and told me, Adwaro mondo wuoda odhi e police. Woody Mane na lance janie. The boy had very high marks in primary, over 450. The boy had A plane of 85 points. The boy is electrical and electronic engineer. And I think in 2021, 2022, he applied to join the police. The boy is in the police. He's in the DCI. And he is now in forensic. Because electrical and electronic matters, IT, forensic, because now we have gone so digital. Hacking, so these are the experts. And that expertise, and you see, we don't need one. We need to employ even 100 of them who are experts on such lines. Wadwaro fingerprint experts. Wadwaro ballistic experts. Jomangiyo weche magbunde. Wadwaro handwriting experts. Idwaro a lot of experts. So I'm giving my Joluo because you are educated. Bring in more advocates in the police. These advocates mukelo in the police. Kagi say to you police katamana 10 years. Ginyalo decide to give ibedo DPP. Gibedo in the because korogi say learn police procedures, gise learn kaka police tiyo. Then koroka gidi katamane prosecution ngato or move from police or dibedo DPP. To obedogi an upper hand moloyo ngamu woka civilian to dibedo DPP. And then the same person kakendo chako tiyo for another 15-20 years to dibedo judge in criminal division. Koro wan gia Kenyan ma was a policeman, was a DPP, is now a criminal, a judge in the criminal division. I hope you are getting that. Wabedogi good experts. Joma katako ponti problem in another country, even in Europe. So they can be called upon to support in investigations. What were experts? Some of these people, mwakele police bedovana a ground, not jiteri will remain in police. Kawakelo a lot of experts in terms of even electronic, electrical, mechanical. Magejo mwabro divert to the anti-corruption. Kagine anti-corruption, gise learn investigations, gise learn a few things in the police. Koroka enkacha to an engineer. Kakoro engineer morodu wa kuelendara. Kata en quantity surveyor. So police and an institution requires all experts. Police nemabro mio banks investigators. Police nemabro mio banks forensic experts. Manyalo ensure ni hacking is managed oko kwal pesa we bank. So kikijingi yangi ya police as an institution madwa train jo mago obunde kende. Koranyalo nyiso luo. Bring the best brains. Mondo wabed ahead of everybody. Bring doctors. Mondo biobed police. Mondo give the scenes of crime. Mondo from there giti city mochari, giti kure, gibed pathologists. Are you getting me? Gibed jomanyalo timo certain important things might involve those. So police duaro quantity surveyors, duaro engineers, duaro lawyers, duaro doctors, duaro professionals yes.
Communication expert.
Yes, like Anne atimo siasa, atimo communication at university level, master's level, atimo international relations. So okibibiro ni kisungu ni tek molo mara tutamenyana. Okibibiro ni mono lejebo siasa maloya mokan more detailed than you are. So gimwadwaro en ni gimanyalo advise luo ni samaji kelo jo D+ gi kele uru the best people manyalo progress in future, manyalo bedo even judges through police, manyalo bedo serious investigators at various levels, at even international level. Omiyo ananya wacho ni luos don't go for quantity, go for quality and be above the rest.
Injinia Lazaro Kanyambo ko wacho ni oyie kod Charles Owino. Iwacho ni maja mando mar